y'all, it's Neva from Manic Mama Musings, and welcome back to hashtag 100 Days of Halloween 2023, Vlogtober day 16, because tomorrow is Brianna goes to surgery, or no, not to surgery, she goes to the doctor to see if she needs surgery, so please send some positive vibes this way, because we really hope the infection's gone so they can operate, because I don't know what happens if it's not gone, so it's been a long time with an infection, and that's making me worry. Anywho, I'm going to open my number 6 first from my gift exchange with Cindy from Pups and Crochet. Let's see what number 6 is. I should undo all this beforehand, but I don't. Because I'll be too, I'll want to peek. What is this? Oh, how cute! They're little gnomes, little fall gnomes. I'm going to hang one in my van. Oh, well, I'm not even using the van right now. But, anywho. Let me get them so they're facing front ways. Those are cute.
No, I love them.
We did not have those at our Dollar Tree. That's where she got them. But I love it. It's got a acorn and a leaf and a pumpkin on it. Oh, I love that. I love them. They're cute. Might have to... I can't hang in the window here because the cats will just... The cats would eat these, literally. Well, Lucy. Lucy eats weird stuff. Then I got Happy Mail from my beautiful Karen, who is always so sweet to me. She was sending a sweater for Rihanna, which Rihanna took some pictures, but they're not too great, but I'll try to put them at the end of this video. So you can kind of see the sweater, because she did amazing work and Rihanna loves it. Like, it fits her exactly how she wanted it to fit. I might be able to, so I just want you to see the work she does, because Karen does amazing work. I am just now getting courage to make ponchos, forget a sweater. So yeah, a cardigan. It's beautiful. So this is the bag it was in. It's tie-dye. I love it.
Has you written all over it.
What is this?
A bag within a bag?
A bag in a bag. And I know, I'm almost positive I know who made this bag. So, haha. Let's see. Has a snap and a letter.
Did y'all see that?
Oh my gosh.
You can't fake that. How happy she is. Aww.
She made this bag. I thought it was a Bridget bag because this is some material that Bridget would use. And instead, it says made from love. It's got a little project, stitch mark. It says made with love. She made this. She made this awesome bag with sugar skulls. Oh my, it's LJ's favorite color, and it's got color. Sugar skulls. That's what it is. Okay, I gotta hurry up. This one. Okay, and so I knew she was sending me this to finish my last year's vacation blanket. This will be plenty, because I just want to do a pretty good border on it. Make it a little bigger and frame it all up. And then let's see. Oh my goodness. I love her so much. She's so... Okay, so here... Oh, she made a notions pouch. You go, lady! And you made some... Look at you! I got some beautiful... That's beautiful. Her favorite color is purple, if y'all can't tell.
Let me see if I can focus. Sorry. Oh.
Isn't that beautiful?
It is.
Oh, I love it. I'm gonna cry. She made me a necklace. It'll go on the car rearview mirror. LJ will get to look at it more than I, unless it fits me. But I have a fat neck, so let's see. I'll probably wear mine.
Your own manic camera.
She said that her girls were hanging them, her daughters were hanging them on the rearview mirror. But if it fits me, Oh, yeah. I'll wear it. Forget that. I mean, it can go on there, but
That looks cool.
I love it. And there's a little N. I love it, love it, love it. I feel like Christmas. She said this is the first time she's ever done it, but this looks so perfect, you guys. Like, wow. And it's got her LJ's favorite color on the outside, and her favorite color, purple, which is purple, on the inside. And it's got pockets on both sides. It's got pockets on the inside. It's got a little thing to hold like your keys or your stitch markers or whatever. Wow, Karen. You just keep adding to the stuff you can do. And then she had told me when she came for vacation, because remember we went and visited her in Roswell. She went to New Mexico, that she was sending me some natural soaps. They've got cranberry orange. Let's see. Patchouli. Oh, y'all, I'd be loving some patchouli. Let me see. Oh my gosh, yes. I like smelling like patchouli, I can't lie. So, there.
Bless you. Just kidding. Sorry.
Oh, I get it. I was like, I didn't see this. Okay, cranberry orange.
It's an old joke. Sorry.
Sage. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh.
That smells really good. I can smell it from here.
Be Mine is this one is called. They all smell so good. Oh, heck yeah. Oh, these are little ones, little samples. Star Selling All Natural Organic Goat Milk. Is that what all of these are? Is from this place? Yeah, Blue Cactus. Do they have a YouTube channel?
We can find out.
Chewy, you stink. Thanks, Karen. I probably do. Thanks a lot. No. She's joking with me. She loves me. So I got a bag of soap. I got a bag. I got yarn. I got gnomes from Cindy. Thank you, Cindy. Oh, can't forget. Now, the movie last night. Okay, I put was it The Strangers, babe, or the others? The Strangers.
The Strangers.
I did put in the description box that I was picking a different movie because we started watching it and the first thing my brain thought of was porn. It was bad. Oh, don't watch it. Don't watch it if you're... Just don't watch it. We watched See No Evil with Mia Farrow. I had never seen it, and oh my gosh, I really liked it. Like, it was very suspenseful, and you didn't know who did it till the very end, and I love those because I can usually guess the end of it. So if I don't know, if I haven't figured it out, the very, very right before you find out, I figured it out. Like, right before.
Yeah.
So, yeah, usually it takes me not that long, huh, babe?
Not true.
So, what?
I was going to say we even like bet which one is right.
Yeah. Did you like it?
Oh,
you didn't watch See No Evil?
No, I didn't watch See No Evil.
Oh, yeah, he didn't watch it with me.
Did I watch The Strangers?
I thought you watched See No Evil with me.
No, I was...
With the blind girl?
No, I didn't see that one.
He's like, no, I didn't see that.
I was like, with the blind girl? Oh, no, there's no... I haven't watched a movie with the blind girl, so I haven't seen it.
He didn't watch it, so I watched it.
Guess I got some catching up to do.
Yeah, but I made it... This is for the boots that you see throughout the movie, like... Well, if you watched it, you knew. They had white star and brown. They were brown boots with a white star, so that's how I made the square.
Oh.
I couldn't figure out what color background. I thought, we'll make the background the boot and make the star put the white star on it. So there's the square. Now let's find out what we watched tonight and hope it's not porn-like. Now I can handle some nudity and stuff, but this literally started right off doing weird stuff. And if I want to watch a porn, I'll watch a porn. I'm not going to try to watch a horror movie and end up being a porno. I don't really watch porn. That was a joke.
No Kiyoshi.
Okay, Phantasm on Tubi is what the movie for tonight is. Phantasm. So I'm going to settle down here in a minute and watch it with LJ. My blanket that I'm so in love with, my camping blanket or our vacation blanket that I started, that I was just going to take my time on. I'm going to rush and try to finish because Rihanna should be having surgery this week if the infection's gone. And those are her colors. And even though I want to make it huge and keep it, it just keeps telling me that it needs to go to Rihanna. So I know that's where it needs to be. So that's where it'll go. And then I'll have to find me a new color combination I really like and make me a blanket. I can do that, I bet. So, that being said, stay spooky. And check out that movie, See No Evil. It was a pretty good movie. It's from the 70s, and I really liked it. And the fact that Mia Farrow was in it was great. So, yeah, stay spooky. I will catch you tomorrow to show you what I got from Cindy and find out what movie we're going to watch and find out what I thought of Phantasm. So please join us. Love you.